Hello everybody, my name is Peter and I'm an FPV drone pilot. I started to fly over 2 years ago. A year ago, when I felt I was happy with my progress, I decided to go and get a GVC license and become a professional FPV pilot, approved by the CAA in the UK. Any questions?
What does FPV mean?
What does FPV mean?
What does FPV mean?
It stands for first person view, and it means to experience something from a first person view.
How does it work with drones?
And how does it work with drones?
Let me explain it to you in more detail. Meet Agata. We are in her art studio. Usually she spends her time painting, but today she's going to help us understand FPV drones. For safety purposes, Agata is taking off the propellers. Remember, never power up your drone at home with props on. So now let's see. The drone has two cameras. The top one is responsible for recording HD videos. Usually it's a GoPro or other action camera. The tiny one is connected to the transmitter on the back of the drone. With the little antenna here, the video is transmitted live to the goggles. Now, Agata is wearing goggles. She's taking them off to show us what she sees through them. There are two screens, one for each eye. They display the drone camera picture. The last part of FPV drone kit is the radio controller. Here you input every move on the gimbal sticks with your fingers. The whole flight is completely manually controlled by the inputs you give. With one gimbal stick you can control roll and pitch. With another you can yaw and control the throttle. To take off and fly forward, you need to move the throttle stick to the point where your drone hovers. Not too much, but not too little. Then you use the other stick to control the pitch of the drone. Once you pitch it forward, you will gain some speed. Combining both sticks' control, roll, pitch, yaw and throttle, you can do mind-blowing maneuvers and fly through tight gaps. This is FPV.
Huge thanks to Agata. Visit her Instagram and website, links down below in the description. Any more questions?
How can I use FPV drones?
How can we use FPV drones?
Simply for fun.
Where else could we use FPV drones?
Where else could you use FPV drones?
To explore areas. To make a promo video. If you run a business, for example in hospitality, FPV videos will help you to promote it uniquely and magically. Or if you run a big company and hire loads of new employees, you may want FPV videos to introduce your site very quickly and memorably to all new workers. If you rent or sell property, FPV videos will help you to inspire your potential clients with your portfolio. This is rapidly becoming a very popular thing to do in this area, as it's perfect to capture a unique perspective. If you're a vehicle trader, you can use FPV videos of your stock to present and sell them faster. If you run any other activities, indoors, outdoors, any kind of event, games, races, FPV videos will definitely catch the eye of anyone watching.
Where else could we use FPV drones?
Where else could you use FPV drones?
With a well-skilled pilot, you can inspect unreachable areas. If you're a builder and you have to deal with side issues where it's too dangerous or time-consuming to send a person, you can easily send an FPV drone.
If you have any other ideas about how an FPV drone could be used or help you, then please drop them in a comment.
I believe I've given you an insight into myself and what I do. My contact details below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow up with my passion and make more of this kind of content. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay, alright.
Again, please. But to the camera, please.
What does FPV mean?
Yeah, watch out.
Yeah, no, mate, he's gone now.